tried a few cocktails since I got here, and this is the one that works for me the best because it's a nice, refreshing drink. Now, all of Grant's cocktails, you can find the recipes at grantswhisky.com. They are all very simple. 3 ingredients, 3 steps. The reason for that is, when I was bartending, we would serve a lot of beer, okay? But after serving a lot of beer, people wanted cocktails. When someone orders a cocktail that takes 10 minutes to make and has 12 different components, you're gone. You're away from the bar. You're not serving the bar. So I wanted to make a cocktail, in fact all of Grant's cocktails, to be simple, quick, but taste good as well. And they all start with the same thing. A double measure or 50 millilitres of Grant's triple wood. Is that a camera? I thought that was a dictaphone. That's a camera, that's so cool. Hello. So, we've got 50 mils of Grant's. The next thing we want is black tea. I've used English breakfast tea, you can use Scottish blend, you can use any tea you want, but I find that black tea works best. Is this syrup or tea? That's syrup. And we're going to put 75 mils of tea in here. So 1 big, 1 small. And then the last thing is actually up to you. You see, back in Scotland, I use honey because I love honey. Here, we're using maple syrup because honey and maple syrup, they're both sweet and they taste good. Now this is up to you. Sometimes I add 15 mils, sometimes 20 mils, sometimes 10. If you're using honey, bar spoon, times 2. If you're using syrup, I'd say about 20 mils, or to taste. That was about 30 mils. This is going to be very sweet. So, once we've done that, can I get some place in there? Thank you so much. Thank you. Once we've done that, we do a hard shake. And this is, done this in Brazil, and I was at a really cool bar called Guillotina, and had a lot of great bartenders just like yourselves who are very, very good listeners. They listen to everything I say. And I did tell them that from my 10 years of bar experience, I learned one really, really important thing, and it's something that I'd like to share with all of you today, and that is that if you're working behind the bar, don't ever, ever. Okay? So I hope you got that. I'll tell you one more time, if you're working behind the bar, don't ever, ever. Because the customer will never forgive you. Okay? So I'm glad that you all listened to that and you heard that loud and clear. Once we've given that a hard shake, we'll take our strainer, we'll pour it into our glass, and I hope you don't mind sharing because this one's to share, and then we're going to make a few more. If you want to come up and make some, that's great as well. We'll pour it in to our glass, and we have a nice, frothy, long drink. This is what we call in Scotland a cuppa tea. It's what you call a cup of tea. A cuppa tea. To finish it off, we take some nutmeg, and grate it on top. And there you go. I'm going to pass this one round, have a little sip, and I'm going to smash out a few more. There you go, you get it because you've got the cool camera thing. Everything's awesome. You. Enjoy. Pass that around and we'll make some more.
Excellent.